Are you tired of the discomfort and swelling in your joints? Whether it's the knees, elbows, or hips, joint pain can really hold you back from enjoying life. But what if I told you that the solution could be right in your kitchen? No, it's not an expensive supplement and it doesn't require any fancy treatments. The answer might just lie in your diet, specifically in some amazing vegetables that can help your body produce collagen, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints pain-free. Stick with me as we dive into the 8 vegetables you must eat to help boost collagen production and say goodbye to swelling in your joints. It's easier than you think. Understanding collagen. Before we jump into the vegetables, let's first talk about collagen. Collagen is a vital protein in your body that plays a major role in keeping your joints flexible and strong. It's like the glue that holds everything together. However, as we age, our bodies produce less collagen, and this decline leads to stiff, painful joints, especially in areas like the knees, wrists, and back. In fact, the loss of collagen is one of the main culprits behind swelling and discomfort in your joints. But don't worry, it's not too late. By adding the right vegetables to your diet, you can boost your body's collagen production and keep those joints of yours feeling flexible and pain-free. Vegetable number 1. Spinach. Let's start with spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting collagen production. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, but it doesn't stop there. Spinach is also packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids that help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for anyone dealing with joint pain. When you reduce inflammation, you're also helping to ease that painful swelling around your joints. Adding spinach to your meals is super easy. Toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it as a side dish. It's a versatile green that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Vegetable number 2. Kale. Next up is kale. Similar to spinach, kale is packed with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. But kale has another major benefit. It's also rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for maintaining bone health and ensuring that calcium stays in your bones, not in your arteries. When your bones are strong, your joints stay supported. And strong bones mean less strain on your joints. Kale also contains compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can reduce joint pain and swelling. Try adding kale to soups, stews, or even as a wrap in place of tortillas. It's an easy vegetable to include in your diet, and it's packed with nutrients for your joints. Vegetable number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are more than just a tasty side dish. They're a game changer for joint health. Packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, sweet potatoes help with tissue repair and promote healthy cartilage. Cartilage acts as a cushion in your joints, and when it's healthy, it reduces the wear and tear that causes joint pain. Sweet potatoes also have natural anti-inflammatory properties, making them a perfect addition to any anti-pain diet. Roast, mash, or even fry sweet potatoes as a healthy snack. The best part is they're delicious and easy to make. Vegetable number 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are an absolute must for joint health. These vibrant veggies are packed with vitamin C, about 3 times more than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, and bell peppers are one of the best sources around. But that's not all. Bell peppers also contain a number of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and help ease joint swelling. So whether you're dealing with arthritis or general joint discomfort, bell peppers are here to help. Add bell peppers to your stir-fries, salads, or even use them as a crunchy snack. They're a great way to get a burst of collagen-boosting nutrients in your day. Vegetable number 5. Carrots. Carrots are another great vegetable for boosting collagen. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which helps with tissue repair and promotes healthy cartilage. But carrots do more than just help your joints. They're also high in fiber, which supports your digestive health, and they help lower inflammation in the body, providing double benefits for your joints. Carrots are incredibly easy to add to your meals. Snack on them raw, add them to soups, or roast them with a little olive oil for a delicious side dish. Vegetable number 6. Cabbage. Don't underestimate this humble vegetable. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps your body produce more collagen, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Cabbage is especially great for reducing swelling in the joints and soothing pain caused by arthritis. It's full of fiber, too, which aids in digestion and overall health. Whether you enjoy it raw in a salad, cooked in a stir-fry, or in a warm bowl of soup, cabbage is easy to work into your daily meals. Vegetable number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is another powerhouse vegetable for joint health. Packed with vitamin C, it helps your body produce collagen, but it also contains sulforaphane, a compound that reduces inflammation in the body. Sulforaphane has been shown to fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to joint pain and degeneration. So, broccoli doesn't just help build strong joints, it also protects them. Steamed, roasted, or in a stir-fry, broccoli is easy to incorporate into your diet. Plus, it's great for overall health, not just your joints. Vegetable number 8. Tomatoes. Last but not least, tomatoes. These juicy fruits are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and swelling in the joints. Lycopene has been shown to protect the cartilage in your joints, preventing further damage and wear. If you're looking for a vegetable that not only boosts collagen production but also helps keep your joints protected, tomatoes are your answer. Tomatoes can be eaten raw in salads, blended into sauces, or roasted with other veggies. They're delicious and versatile. So there you have it, 8 vegetables that can help you reduce swelling, boost collagen production, and support overall joint health. From the leafy greens like spinach and kale to the vibrant bell peppers and tomatoes, these vegetables should become a regular part of your diet. Remember, eating the right foods can play a huge role in how your body feels, especially when it comes to joint health. Start incorporating these vegetables into your meals today and say goodbye to painful joints and swelling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and easy ways to live a pain-free life. Thanks for watching.